So the first thing you need to do is actually to get the image that you want to use inside of VO3 to make it a video. So I have this simple prompt that I've written. So this is a prompt from ChatGPT. And to get this prompt, I simply collected this image. I actually saw this image as a thumbnail on YouTube. All right. So I now gave it to ChatGPT. I told it to extract it and give me the prompt. So I could equally tell it to do something similar or to basically give me fresh ideas, but I'm just going to stick to that for now. So this is a prompt that I want to use to generate the image. So I can now go to either ImageFX or any image generation tool that you like. So I'm going to be using Google, and this is the Google ImageFX. So this is a free text to image tool from Google. So it's completely free, at least to the best of my knowledge. So I just come here and I want to give it that prompt. So I'm going to give it a prompt right here, and I'm going to tell it to create. It's creating, so I'm going to give it a few seconds to do the magic. So we need to get the pictures first. So you can actually get the pictures directly from Google VO3, but sometimes it just tells you that you are generating way too much pictures. So as you can see, we have like very lovely images from Google. So these are very colorful images. So you can download the one you want. So I think I'm just going to pick this first one. All right. So I'm going to pick this first one. So after that, we want to come back to Google VO3, and I'm doing this inside of Flow. So what we want to do is the image to video, which is basically the Google frames to video. So you select the frames to video and you want to select the Google VO3. So we want to make the output to be 1 per prompt. All right. And then you want to select the Google VO3 or the VO3 fast here. All right. So after that, you want to come back and we want to get the prompt for the video. So basically what we want to do is to tell VO3 what we want this image we've given it to do. So it should turn it into a video. So again, I use ChatGPT to generate this prompt, and it's a very simple prompt, and I'm just going to copy it. Of course, you can improve on everything that you want right here. So you can tell it to tweak the prompt to suit whatever idea you are trying to get. All right. So you can just put it like this. In short, you can tell it to like add maybe sounds and all of that to make it even better. But this is the one I'm going for. All right. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to put the prompt right here. So basically to use image to video for Google, you are basically using frames to video. So you can just come here, click on create. So as you can see, it's currently creating, and we are going to give it some time to do the magic and we proceed. So as you can see, this is what we get as our final outputs, and it actually tries its best. So I'm going to download this if I like this. And this, my friend, is how you can basically use images and turn it into a video using Google VO3. So I'm going to upscale it and download it in 1080p. So as you can see, it's upscaling right here, and after that, it should download. So this is the fastest way you can use image to video inside of Google VO3. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Goodnoel, and I'll see you.